Hey guys, welcome to another weekly review and expectation. Gabriel here, as usual. So, we are currently entering the 21st, April 21st week. Today's Sunday, and let's see how the last week went. And the plan was to wait for Monday to finish trading. And if we had a consolidation on Monday, we would look for enter on Wednesday, um, probably targeting Monday highs. And if we had a continuation down on Monday, we would probably have a consolidation during Tuesday and Wednesday, and a reversal on Thursday on the news event. So yeah, let's jump to the charts and see the trades I took. I took 4 trades this week. As you guys can see, 3 of them on Thursday and 1 on Friday. So let's jump to the setups. Let's go to the 5 minutes. That's where I usually take the entries. So first entry on Thursday, just before CPI here. I wanted to position myself before it. We were on a daily fair value gap, exactly how I planned. And we had already broken structure on 15 minutes. So yeah, first entry was too soon. So I basically entered on the breakout, bad entry, and got stopped out. So I entered here. It was a 15 minutes fair value gap, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So first one I entered here. I was thinking that we could have a continuation because we had just rejected this order block here. So I entered again here on this fair value gap and put my stop loss above the creating candles high. And yeah, as usual, take profit 2R, and yeah, good trade, easy one. And then I took a trade here after the displacement. We had a fair value gap as well. I thought that we still had ground to break here. I was targeting these lows at first. So I entered here. I was expecting it to go a little bit faster, but it took longer. So I changed my take profit to 1R. So basically I went to one trade because I just wanted to, yeah, it was already 2:30 p.m. And usually market could consolidate, go back, and I just wanted to secure my profits. And yeah, that was fine. Took the D1R here. Let's move to Friday. Yeah, Friday I was expecting it to go lower as well. I was expecting to take this whole liquidity here, but didn't happen like that. So I basically entered on this inversion gap right here after we disrespected it, but got stopped out afterwards. And yeah, then the day turned down, but I didn't want to risk my profits. I already got +2 here, 2R here. Then I lost 1R here, so I ended up the week +1R. Very good. The thing is not to overtrade, and I think that went very well. So another profitable week. And yeah, let's jump to the dollar and see what can we expect for the next week. So let's jump to the weekly chart just to have an overview. So as you guys can see, yeah, last week we didn't have that much expansion. We basically consolidate, and we created this fair value gap. Despite having consolidation last week, we still closed the week bullish with a up candle. So yeah, that says to me that we are probably visiting further buy side liquidity. We didn't really taken liquidity here. Yeah, well, we traded into this fair value to this order block, but I'm still targeting this intermediate time high right here. Let's jump to the daily. So on the daily chart, you guys can see that we traded back into the fair value gap that was created from Monday's trading. As I was planning, we had a continuation on Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday we traded into this gap here and rejected, and traded back into the fair value gap created from the beginning of the week, and then also rejected. So from my point of view, we're still respecting the bullishness of the chart, so the BISs, the buy side imbalances, and I would expect further expansion next week, probably trading back into this weekly imbalance, so taking this low, maybe trading back here before going up. We could also see a down close week, but we have some news event on Thursday and Friday that could match a good reversal point. So I'll show you guys what we have for news. So we have some news on Tuesday. We have PMI. We have GDP quarterly on Thursday. Unemployment claims. Yeah, we have consumer sentiment. So we have some news here. So what I'm expecting is a consolidation on Monday. So probably consolidating here. Then manipulation on Tuesday, driving prices lower. Trading to an imbalance, this fair value gap, this weekly fair value gap. Wednesday probably we'll have a consolidation reversal. And Thursday and Friday probably an expansion higher, targeting these highs. So that would be my main expectation. And another possibility is that would happen if we had a consolidation on the beginning of the week, trading lower. If we had an expansion, like right up from Monday and Tuesday, from Tuesday's news, if we trade higher, and if we take this intermediate time high here, I would expect a probable reversal on Wednesday, going lower on Tuesday and Friday. So if we expand on Monday, if we take this high on Monday or take the previous high on Monday, I would look for buys on Tuesday on dollar, so shorting euro or pound, and I would expect this to be taken on Tuesday or Wednesday. And if not, then I would probably look for a complete expansion during the week. But I find very unlikely that we will just expand without touching this gap here. Could happen, but it's unlikely, because yeah, usually that's how it happens. So yeah, invalidation for my plan. If we have a massive breakdown here, and if we have a closing day below this fair value gap, that would indicate to me that we are not really that bullish. So I would probably sit in the sidelines and wait for the next week. But yeah, let's see how it works. Let's jump to the euro pound chart. So here my expectation is bullish. Euro pound. So last week we had sort of a massive candle Friday, so pound was really weak. Should have looked to short pound instead of euro on Friday, to be honest, but it's fine. Yeah, from what I see here, it seems that we are still getting higher prices for euro here, so I'm bullish at least for the beginning of the week on the euro pound. We have this weekly fair value gap that wasn't visited yet, so we could trade into it and then reverse on the end of the by the end of the week. Or we could consolidate, go a little bit creative for value gap on Monday, for example, and trade back and go higher. Yeah, I have no bias. I'm more likely to short pound if we have a beginning of the week setup. So if we have a expansion on dollar on Monday, I would probably look for shorts on pound. And but overall, I'll probably have to be monitoring the euro pound, like as I'm entering, like as I see a setup on dollar, I would probably um, try to see which one is weaker and entry on that one. And yeah, so that is my plan for next week. Looking for shorts and expecting a good bullish condition on dollar as well until we take this intermediate time high here. I'm bullish. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys could make some profit from last week. The plan was very good, and yeah, I did some over trading, but managed to still keep the profits. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next week. Bye.